Hi friends, thousands of migrated birds have come. 9 species of birds. Join with us to witness these rare scenes. A look at raw nature and the life of these people. Come join us on this Shikkara boat.
Hello, this is Kumarakom, one of the finest backwater destinations in the world. A lot of birds come here during this part of the year.
This bird is known as Heron. Heron. What a beautiful bird it is. Just silent, just observing us. Few of these birds can be found in Kumarakom throughout the year, but in lesser numbers. Duck farming in large numbers is very common in Kumarakom. To film these birds, you should have great patience. Friends, please check the description for Amazon links. When you buy through these links, it doesn't cost you anything more. I get a small commission, which will help me. It took me 4 days of shooting and 2 days of editing to bring this video out to you. So if you like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The name of the bird can differ in different countries, so I have not mentioned the name of the birds. This is Suresh. I'll give his number and all details. Contact him when you come to Kumarakom. Toddy is very common here. We are doing a video to show you the full process. If you are interested in going to places like this, you can contact Suresh and the Shikara boat guy. He will take you to these kind of places. Please give me your opinion about this video. It will really help me to give you better videos. Thank you. Stay tuned with us for more videos. See you soon in our next one. Thank you for being with us.